Hey homeowners, HVAC repair guy here. Today we've got a heavyweight equipment battle for your backyard comfort. We are putting two ultimate tier ducted split air conditioners into the ring. The ACiQ HVA9 versus the Energi Air Elite Series AXV9S. If you want to know which one of these high-tech machines is actually the better investment for your home, stick around. Let's look at the data. First up, let's talk about protection. When you're spending top dollar on an ultimate system, you want it to last. The Energi Air AXV9S comes with a louvered coil. Those are the heavy-duty metal slats that protect the outdoor unit. Now, look at the ACiQ HVA9. The data shows no for a louvered coil. That means you've got an exposed coil sitting right there in the open. As a repair guy, I'm telling you, that makes it a sitting duct for hail, rocks from the mower, or debris. When those delicate fins get flattened, your system has to work harder, your pressures go up, and your efficiency goes right out the window. Louvers are your first line of defense. Next, let's talk about the numbers that affect your wallet and your ears. Both of these are top-tier performers. The ACiQ HVA9 gives you a solid 18.0 SEER2, but the Energi Air AXV9S edges it out with a more efficient 19.0 SEER2. But when it comes to peace and quiet, ACiQ is the king. The HVA9 clocks in at a whisper quiet 56 decibels dB. The Energi Air AXV9S sits at 61 dB. Remember, a 3 dB difference is where the human ear really starts to notice a change. So that 5-point gap makes the ACiQ significantly quieter during those summer nights. Before we get to the warranty battle, which is a game changer today, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had to replace a unit because of coil damage from a storm? Drop a comment below and let me know. All right, let's look at the ultimate guarantee, the unit replacement warranty. This isn't just a parts warranty. If a major component fails, the manufacturer replaces the entire outdoor unit. The ACiQ HVA9 gives you a very respectable 10-year unit replacement guarantee. But the Energi Air AXV9S absolutely takes it to another level with a lifetime unit replacement guarantee and a lifetime compressor warranty. That is the ultimate no-hassle protection for a homeowner. So, who takes the win? If you live in a tight neighborhood and sound is your number one priority, the ACiQ HVA9 is your move. But for the average homeowner, the Energi Air Elite Series AXV9S is the clear winner today. Between the better SEER2 efficiency, the louvered coil protection, and that insane lifetime replacement guarantee, it's built to last a lifetime. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.